Hello friends, welcome back to this part of the video series on Matplotlib. In the previous section, we understand many basic functionality of Matplotlib, and we have seen how to use subplots and figure to show your graph and visualization. Now let's move forward to the next part, and we will understand some more functionality of Matplotlib. So the first thing I'll do is that I'll import the required libraries. Then I'll generate a random data. Let's just see the data as well. So this is the data, and I have just used values and keys to create another data, that is group data and group names. And I have also used np.mean to get the mean of the data. Now let's just plot this in a bar shape with horizontal lines. So let me run this. So you will see that this is our bar horizontal graph. If you use only bar h, only bar, then it will show a vertical graph. Now there are multiple style available for showing the graph. You can list all the style available with plt.style.available. So let's say I'll use mpl gallery. So what you need to do is that you will use plot.style.use and provide the style you want to use. Now when I plot the same graph again, you'll see we have different style now. Now let's just rotate the x tick a bit for better visualization. So for that there is a set property function associated with PLT where you can set almost anything. So let's look all the properties at one by one. So here you can see I have rotated the x axis, or you can see the tick of x axis. You can change the y properties as well. So let's say x.get underscore y tick labels. You can see we have rotated the y tick as well. Okay, you can rotate them both as well. I'm using this parameters x and y just to suppress the output. Let me just change here. So you can see we have rotated both the x and y tick as well. Now let's move forward and set some few more properties. So with x.set you can set x limit like x max and x min, x label, y label, y limit, title, everything. So let's see that. You can see we have set a title, y label, x label as well. And also you can see we have changed the limit up to 1,50,000 and we can see it as well. Okay, so if I just change to 1,70,000, we will see it, the effect as well. So this is, you can see that 1,60,000 is accommodated in the graph as well. Now let's move forward. I think let's draw a vertical line which will show the mean of all the values. For that we can use ax vertical line, and you provide the value where you want to show the vertical line. Let me run this. So you can see we have plotted the mean value, and just let's verify this by viewing the group mean value. Group mean value is around 1,14,000 and we can see it is around here. So this is how you can manipulate the properties of x-axis, y-axis, and every aspect of the plot. There is much to explore. It is way beyond my limits to show everything on one video. You can get more information and idea from Matplotlib official documentation. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part. Peace.